We have discussed setting up a fence and using proper lighting to deter intruders. You should also use locks so that the intruders can potentially be stopped or at least delayed in their attempts to break in. We also talked about using patrols, meaning human guards, to carry out any checks. All of this will still not be sufficient. You will definitely need much more than this.
Always more. You can have surveillance devices installed, monitored, and controlled from a central point. The advantage is that you can centrally monitor and deploy people depending on an intrusion attempt. You can have CCTVs and other devices that can sense intrusions. For example, say someone is trying to access a secure area with stolen ID cards but does not have the proper security code to key in. When there is an attempt to key in an incorrect code, you should alert the central command about the exception and they can start monitoring this abnormal activity. You decide on the surveillance equipment, keeping in mind the kind of security requirements you have.